Okay, so this is my Sega Nomad. I've LCD modded it, so kind of nice new LCD screen in there. I have also done a battery mod on it. You can see there's no battery pack on the back of it, but it will turn on. And there's no battery pack on the back. I've got a built-in lithium battery, charge it via the Sega adapter, and it's got a little charging light there that turns red when charging, green when charged. And the low battery indicator works as well, like it should. And yeah. Don't know what the playtime is yet because I just finished putting them in yesterday and I haven't tried like an extended run yet. Yeah, look at that crisp screen. I also have a micro USB in the brightness area because the brightness is not used anymore, and I wanted another way to power it as well. So yeah.